Okay, now we are on page 129 and we are looking at number 3. We're not going to look at number 2 because number 2, it has issues. Statements. Reasons. Number 3, page 129. All right, so we need to see if we have enough information to classify these based on side angle side criteria. Number 1 is always given. And this given is that Km and Jn bisect each other. Given. Now, based on the definition of bisecting, what happens when you bisect? Cut it in half. So here is Km, and it is being cut in half, which means that this little segment will be equal to this little segment. That's going to be my second statement. Segment KL equals segment LM. The reason, definition of segment bisectors. It's supposed to be number 2 on the right. Thank you. Now, if we go back to that given, Jn is also being bisected. So here's Jn. When it is bisected, it also forms 2 congruent sides. So statement number 3 is that JL is equal to LN. Same as number 2's reason, definition of segment bisectors. All right, my first week here, I told you to make an X with your hands or with your arms, and we said duck, duck, goose, goose. Do you see some duck, duck, goose, goose going on in this problem? Yes. All right, name them. KLN, okay, goes with who? JLM. Now, based on the 2 triangles that you have, give me another set. J, we're over here. JLK. Angle JLK is congruent to angle NLM. NLM. What is the reason? You cannot put duck, duck, goose, goose. I told you that. What is it?
Vertical angles.
Thank you. Yes, vertical angles are congruent. Yes, Caleb. JLK and NLM. Vertical angles are congruent. Okay, now we have. You talking about JKL? Yeah. Because we're trying to prove side angle side, and if you do JKL, then you're talking about this angle, which does not help support side angle side. That would be JLK. Yes, it matters because the angle has to be included. See that A in between the 2 S's? It has to be in between the 2 S's. So now we can write our last statement, which is triangle JKL is congruent to triangle NML based on side angle side. because this angle is congruent to that angle, and that will give us our side, our angle, and our side paired with our side, our angle, and our side. That's it.